Okay. Hello. Good afternoon, sister. This is Anwar, sir. I have typed your all questions. I am just showing you the way how will you see your typed questions by going through set preview. See this here. It is written set preview. Just click set preview. Then you will click set preview. So the new questions what I have typed now, just now, class 4 SST. Okay, class 4 SST. So choose SST, then set name. Set name what I have prepared. Set name I have written SST for ABC, then SEMA, your name, your first name I have taken. Click here, then after that, just click preview. When you will click preview, so you will see whatever the questions I have typed, all your questions are here. You can see from 1 to 50 questions are here. You can see, okay. You go through all the questions. I'm just printing it out. After printing it out, I will send it to your WhatsApp or sister Rosita WhatsApp, sister Rosita. So here it's showing print, print, save as PDF. Okay, if you are in printer section, you will see the option save as PDF. If you are not able to see save as PDF, then click this drop down menu. Then you will see so many options are here. Then you choose save as PDF. Click save as PDF. Then click save. When you will click save, means your questions is ready. Okay, your question is ready. It is written in tab. I am writing your name, your set name. I have written SST. Then dash 4ABC and dash your name. SEMA I am typing here. Then I am just saving it. When I will save, so now it has saved. Okay, see it's showing here. Scanning for viruses means it's saving the questions what I have just typed now. I will send it to your WhatsApp right now. I'll show it to you how. Now still it's showing scanning for viruses. So I have typed from now it's almost 12 o'clock. So from that time I thought that I will type today only. So here it is written now. You can see open file. Then I will open file. So your all questions will appear here. See your all questions are appearing here. See all questions you can see, you can read out. This all you can see whatever I have typed, all the questions. See, I have made the letters also large. I have made all the letters and words questions, whatever questions I have written, it is in the large form so that you will not feel any difficulty when you will go through these questions, what I have prepared. So as you can see, all 50 questions are here. All 50 questions I have typed. Okay, see all 50 questions I have typed. So now what I will do, I will send it into your WhatsApp. I will send it into your WhatsApp. So first, let me see where your file is given. Found your files. Okay. Now I am sending to your WhatsApp. I am sending to your WhatsApp. Now I am attaching the file, the documents, means your questions, what I have just now typed. SST for ABC, yes, this one. Now see, it will show in your WhatsApp, means Sister Rosita WhatsApp, okay? So I am sending, now I have sent. So I have, yes. Yes, I have sent. You can download and you can see your questions, what I have typed. So whatever, if you, even then if you feel any difficulty, just write down, I will show you the way by making this video. But this video, this, who can see this video? Only you can see, okay? I am hiding this video from YouTube. I have prepared this video in YouTube, but it will be accessible by you only. If you will send this link to someone else, then someone will see, otherwise no one will see, okay?